Hi everyone. So this is the workload today. This is we call nozzle or spraying nozzle. So the material is stainless steel. The maximum outside diameter is 25.4 mm, and the workpiece or the gauging and the RPM. So WPC means workpiece center. So first process, piecing. Piecing in the other machine that we call aging. So this is the tools for sequence number 1. General out number 17, packet number 17. And the second process is drilling. Drilling is 10 mm diameter, 38 mm depth. So sequence number 1 is center drill. Center drill. Then the drill, 10 mm diameter, 38 hole depth. So picking, that is the picking cycle. Then this cutting speed and feed rate is auto set by machine. And the next process is the bar out, or what we call general out, from the 25 mm diameter.
Machine is in the alarms.
You can see the figure here, that bolt. So this is the program. 15 mm here, up to 17, then concave, back to 17, then until it tapered here. And the next is groove for cutting. So that is the process of the nozzle. So I have some finished items here. So this is the finished items, but only the hole here. This is a hole of 10 mm. The other side is after the sequence, we can make a hole here in the front, 2 mm diameter. So I can let you see the drawing. So this is the drawing. They have a hole here, 2 mm diameter. So this is a 10 mm diameter hole. This is wow.
This is ready for operation at 1,000 tons of feed.
So we have this is the cutter, tools for grooving and cutting, so that we have to use